Hello and welcome to CommPeak. In this video, we'll show you how to set up SIP-based call routing using Voice URI profiles. Voice URIs route incoming calls to your PBX, dialer, or any external VoIP application. In this video, you will learn how to create a Voice URI profile, how to configure SIP URI settings, and how to assign a profile to your DIDs. To begin, log into your CommPeak Portal, expand DIDs, click Management, and switch to the Voice URIs tab. To create a new profile, click plus Add URI in the top right corner. A side panel opens for you to fill in the routing details. In the name field, enter a clear alias, for example, London PBX main. Under Identity Parameters, set the routing prefix for your SIP URI. Here, you can also add an optional plus sign. Toggle Include DID number in final URI to forward the full DID number to your PBX, so your PBX answers incoming calls to this number. Then choose your SIP server. Select External Server if your PBX is hosted on an external PBX server. You can also add an optional custom port here. The default is 5060. Select CommPeak PBX to route traffic to your dialer or PBX instance from the PBX instance list. Below, you can preview the generated URI based on your input. When you're done, click Create URI. The new profile appears in the table. Now let's assign it to a DID. Open My DIDs, click the three-dot action icon on a number, and select Change Configuration. In the Update Call Configuration window, check the Voice URI box, select your new profile from the list, and click Save Changes. If a DID has multiple forwarding rules, drag to reorder their priority. To check that the rule was applied, hover over the arrow icon next to the DID. A dark purple icon means Voice URI forwarding is active. Back on the Voice URIs tab, you can manage existing profiles at any time. Filter DIDs by the needed profile. Edit details. Or delete profiles you no longer need. That's it. Check the description for the full setup guide and our other DID management tutorials.